Hey everybody. So we are going to talk about analysis today. Analysis is, you probably remember, or maybe not, I don't know. But when we talked about how does X do Y? Now we started at the very beginning of the year with characterization. So how does the author use details to characterize the character? So if we're talking about the details, that's X, the details from the story to characterize the character. And that's why the words that we come up with to characterize that person. Okay. So we have the details from the story, and then the adjectives or other words, descriptive words that we came up with, and that equals together our characterization of that person. Okay. So we're going to apply that same principle. It's exactly the same way to think. We're just going to apply it to the poem. Okay. So we started to do this a little bit yesterday. I didn't use the word analysis, but I kind of tricked you into it. What we were doing yesterday was analysis. We come up with words that answer the question, and then we use the text to support those ideas. So what I want to know is, in Harlem by Langston Hughes, how does the author use figurative language, like similes, metaphors, and imagery, to convey his beliefs about deferred dreams? So there's a couple of things that I have to do in order to answer this question. The first is I have to be able to identify the figurative language. That's X, right? That's the thing that the author did. And then I have to figure out what he believes about deferred dreams. Now, yesterday, what a lot of you were doing in the discussion posts was you were talking about what a deferred dream is. And so you were saying a deferred dream is a dream that isn't realized or is stopped or we can't achieve. And those are all absolutely true. That's exactly what he meant. But I want to take it one step further and ask, what happens to us when that happens? When our dream is stopped, what impact does it have on us, the dreamer? Okay? So what I want you to do is think about what his beliefs are about the impact of deferring our dreams. So here's what I did. I'm not sure we're quite ready to write an essay yet. Hopefully we will be soon. But what I did was I gave you two samples. Now, one of the samples is written by me. Let me click over to it. And one of the samples is written by a student. Okay. So what you're going to do in your assignment is read both models. So here's the one that I wrote. And then on the second page, there's one that a student wrote. And you're going to answer these questions that go along with it. Okay. And then you'll just submit this document right back to me in Schoology. As always, if you have any questions, let me know. If you need to rewatch this video, do that. It's no big deal. Okay. I hope this was helpful, and I hope that you're doing well, and I will hopefully get to see you soon. All right.